Let's take a look at this example. This time we have two full adders connected together. Keep in mind that anytime the input is connected to the ground, it means that that particular input is receiving 0. We have to start the analysis from the adder, which is having connection of carry in to the ground or to VCC or other part of the circuitry. Okay, the one which is connected to the carry out of the previous one is the another stage of the adder. Okay, so the very first and the one which is going to carry a least significant bit is the one which is having carry in connected somewhere else beside the other adder. Okay, so we have to start analysis from this adder, and I'm going to call this A0, B0, and A1, B1, and of course carry in 0 and carry in 1. Now let's see what will happen at this output and carry out output. So I have again formula A0 plus B0 plus carry in 0. This is A0 is equal 0 plus B0 is 1 plus carry in 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is binary 1, 0, 1. So at the output, right, sum output, I'm going to have 1 and carry out is equal 0. So this 0 is going to go over here, and again I'm supposed to write the formula for the second adder, and I have A1 plus B1 plus carry in 1. This is equal A1 is 1 plus B1, which is 0, plus carry in, which is 0. So F1 plus 0 gives me binary 1. So F0, 1. So I have 0, 1. Okay, don't forget that this is the sum, okay, and this is carry out. So the final answer is this 0, 1, 1. We don't look at this carry out, okay, because this carry out is used to make the connection with the other adder. So my final answer is 0, 1, 1, and this is nothing else, just binary tree. Now let's prove that our answer is correct. So let me just write the order in which we are going to perform the addition. So most of the time I use the order C, B, A, where A represents the least significant bit and C represents the most significant bit. So my first number was A was 0, B was 1, and C was 0. So this is my first number which I want to add, and the second one was 1, 0, 0. A is 1, B is 0, and C is also 0. Add them up. So I have 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. So please notice that we obtain 3. And this cannot be different because binary 2 plus binary 1 will give me binary 3. And we obtain 3 from the analysis. So it means that we solve the problem.